It's without doubt the biggest show in Wales for education.
We've been to the NES now for the past 3 years, both in Llandudno and in Cardiff, and I'd absolutely recommend it to anyone wanting to meet those teachers in Wales and really be part of the education community.
We've had so many inquiries today.
Footfall has been incredible.
It's been fantastic for lead generation.
We've loved it, to be honest with you.
We've spoken to lots of school leaders. A lot of them are in the position where they're making strategic decisions about which AI tools they're using, so that's been fantastic.
Very busy, nice, vibrant, gets busier every year. Nice to meet new clients and connect with existing ones as well.
Today has been really successful. We've generated loads of new leads.
Sometimes with the training you get in school you don't really have much choice, but with the wealth of different workshops and seminars here, you're able to choose what you feel is going to benefit you as an individual teacher.
There's nothing better than to meet new centres and to catch up with the old clients that we've had over the years and make the changes that they need us to make.
The highlight for me has been all the inquiries that have come through, especially the SEN inquiries.
We'll definitely be here again.
Definitely will be coming back next year.
It's been great, loved it.